See here. Find the least number. Find the least number that must be subtracted. सबसे छोटा नंबर हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करना. To find the square root of 5607. So first you find the square root of 5607. Okay. 5607. Two pair में होंगे. Okay. So here which number, which is the smallest perfect square number less than 56? That is 49. Therefore 7 ja 49. Okay. And 56 minus 49, that is equal to 7. And 07 is in denominator form. 07. So 7 plus 7 14.
14.
Which number we multiply? See, देखो इसमें परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर नहीं आएगा. हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट कौन सा नंबर करना है वो है. सब्ट्रैक्ट कौन सा नंबर करना है वो है. तो यहाँ पे सब 141 1 जा 141, वो नंबर बहुत छोटा है. 142 जा 142 जा 284. 1444 जा 576. 1455 जा 1455 जा क्या होगा 725. That is more than 705. So we multiply with 144. 144 multiply with 4. So 4 4 जा 16. 8 digit 1. 56 plus 1 57. Subtract them. 1 10 minus 7 3 and 6 minus 5 1. So which smallest number, which least number must be subtract? Therefore denominator is subtract. Remainder is subtract. Remainder is 131. Here 131 is subtract from this. The number is a perfect square number. Okay, find the least number that must be subtracted. So which number must be subtracted? Remainder is subtracted. Therefore 131 must be subtracted from 5607. So to get a perfect square. Which of the smallest number be subtracted? 131. Therefore 5607 minus 131. 5607 minus 131. 7 minus 1 6. 10 minus 3 7. And 55 minus 1 54. Okay, 55 minus 1, that is 54. Therefore the number is 5476. Which of the number? The number is 5476. And the square root of 5476, that is equal to the quotient. The number is 74. Also find the square root of the perfect square number. Which of the perfect square number? 5476 is a perfect square number, and its square root is 74. And its square root is 74. Okay. Any 402. By long division method 402. इस तरीके से दो group of the first two number 02 and 4. So 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 answer 0. And 02 is in denominator form. Okay. 02 is in remainder form. So 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. तो 02 तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. तो 40 zeros are 0 0 0. Therefore remainder is 2. So which number? So which number must be subtracted? Which least of the number? Least number that we subtract. So remainder is 2. And the number is 402. Therefore 2 must be subtracted. 2 must be subtracted from 402. 402. Get, so get a perfect square number. So get a perfect square number. Therefore, 402 minus remainder, that is equal to 400. The number is 400, and the square root of 400, square root of 400, that is equal to number 20, that is equal to number 20. And also find the square root. The square root of 400, that is equal to 20, is a perfect square number. Is a perfect square, is a perfect square number. Okay, clear? Any doubt? By long division method, 1989, 89 and 19 are in group. Find the smallest perfect square number less than 19, that is 4. 4 4 are 16. 19 minus 16, that is 3. And 8 9. Okay, 8 and 9. 4 plus 4, that is equal to 8. Therefore 83 3s are 84 4s are. Yes, it is possible. 84 4 the 4 4 are 16. Carry digit 1. 4 into 32 plus 1 33. Okay, clear? And 9 minus 6, that is 3. That is 5. Divide. Therefore remainder is 53. Remainder is 53.
सर ये 87 से भी हो सकता है?
नहीं हो सकता. 87 7 का तो बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा. Not possible. Okay.
Okay sir.
Therefore 53 must be subtracted. वो से एक वो रूल्स कब फॉलो होगा? जब इफ ए नंबर इज ए परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर. और इसमें तो रिमाइंडर रहता है. सब्ट्रैक्शन और एडिशन में ऐसा रूल्स फॉलो नहीं होता. Therefore we check. तो 2 3 4 4 से डिवाइड करो, दैट रिमाइंडर इज 53. Therefore 53 must be 53 must be subtracted from the number 1989. So get a perfect square number. So 1989 minus 53, that is equal to 36. 1936, and square root of 1936, that is equal to 44, is a perfect square number. Is a perfect square number. Okay, clear? How to solve this question? 3250. Here the group in 50 and 32. Find the smallest perfect square number which is less than 32. Here the number is 25.
25.
5 5 are 25. 32 minus 25, that is 7. And 50 is in form of 750. And 5 plus 5, that is 10. Which number we multiply? 10 102 2s are 204. 105 5s are 525. 106 6s are 636. 107 7s are 749. 107 7s are 749. Therefore remainder is 1. Okay. So which number must be subtract? Only one must be subtract from the number 3 2 5 0. So it is got a perfect square number. Therefore 3 2 5 0 minus 1, that number is 3 2 4 9. Clear? Therefore square root of 3 2 4 9, that is equal to, answer is 57, is a perfect square number. Is a perfect square number. Clear? Any doubt? 5 to 5. Least number must be added. 5 to 5. That is the group of 25 and 5. Which is the smallest perfect square number less than 5? That is 4. And 2. 2 square is 4. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4, that is 1. And 25. Therefore, the number converted into 1 to 5. And 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. Which number we added? 41 ones are 41, which is smaller than 125. 42 to the 84. 42 to the 84, which is smaller than 125. 43 3 is 129, तो वो तो बहुत ज्यादा हो गया. तो 42 to the 84. That remainder is 41. Okay, remainder is 41. So square of 22. Square of 22 is, which is less than 5 to 5. Yes or no? Here, square of 22 square is always less than 5 to 5. Square of 22 square, which is always less than 5 to 5. Therefore, the next number of 22, exactly next number of 22, that is 23. Okay, that is exactly 23. 22 square is always less than 5 to 5 because remainder is 40. फिर रिमाइंडर रहता है तो ये नंबर ऑलवेज 22 का स्क्वायर ऑलवेज 5 to 5 से क्या होगा? छोटा ही होगा. ओके, देयरफॉर द नेक्स्ट नंबर ऑफ 22 that is equal to 23, and 23 square that is equal to 5 to 9. Which number must be added? So 5 to 9 minus given number. 5 to 9, therefore 5 to 9 minus 5 to 5, that is equal to 4. 5 to, यहाँ पे जो भी नंबर आए उसके बाद का नंबर का स्क्वायर करना. नेक्स्ट नंबर ऑफ 22, that is 23. 23 square is 5 to 9, which is always greater than 5 to 5, and subtract them. That is equal to subtraction is 4. Therefore, 4 must be added to the given number. Be a perfect square. 5 to 5 में हम 4 ऐड करेंगे तो वो नंबर कौन सा आ जाएगा? 5 to 9. और 5 to 9 क्या है? इज ए स्क्वायर ऑफ 23. That is the square root of 5 to 9, that is equal to 23. Okay, so which number must be added? 4 must be added. पहले ये नंबर आइडेंटिफाई करना, उसमें एक नंबर ऐड कर देना, और जो भी नंबर ऐड करे तो इसका स्क्वायर फाइंड करना. फिर गिवन नंबर में स्क्वायर में से गिवन नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देना. जो आंसर आए must be added. Therefore 4 must be added to the given number, be a perfect square, and the square root of this number 5 to 9, that is equal to 23. Okay, that is equal to 23. Here find the smallest perfect square number which is less than 17. It is 4 the 16. 17 minus 16, that is equal to 1. And 50. 4 plus 4, 8. 4 plus 4, 8. 81 ones are 81, and 82 twos are 164, and 164 is more than 150. That is 81 ones are 81. Remainder is 9. 14 minus 8, that is 6. Okay, therefore here 41 square. Here 41 square is less than 1750. 41 square is less than 1750. Therefore the next number of 41, that is equal to 42. Next number of 41, that is 42. Therefore 42, next number of 41, that is 42, and 42 square. 42 square is 1764. 47, 42 square is 1764. Okay, and 1764 minus given number. Given number is 1750. Therefore its subtraction is 14. Okay, so 41, 41 का square is less than 41 square is less than 1750. Therefore the next number of 41, that is 42, and 42 square is 1764, and 1764 minus given number, that is 14. Therefore 14 must be added to the given number, may be a perfect square, and the number is 1764, that is equal to 42. Therefore the final answer is 42. Final answer is 42. So which number must be added? 40. 6, 4, 1, 2. First, find the smallest number, which is smallest perfect square number, which is less than or equal to 64. 8 square. 8 is the 64. The number is 8 is the 64. Okay, remainder is 0 square. And 8 plus 8, 8 plus 8, that is equal to 16. And 160, 0 is 0, 0, 0. Okay, 0, 0, 0. Therefore remainder is 12. Remainder is 12. Okay, therefore 80 square is 80 square is less than 6, 4, 1, 2. Therefore the next number of 80, that is equal to 81. Next number of 80, that is 81. Therefore 81 square is 6561, and 6561 minus 6412, that is equal to 6561 minus 6412, that is equal to 11 minus 2, 9. 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4, and 0, that is 49. So which number must be added? Therefore 141, 149. Therefore 149 must be added to get a perfect square, and that is equal to 81. That is equal to 81. Okay. What is the formula of area of a square? Area of a square, that is equal to 441 meter square. Area of the square formula, that is equal to side square, that is equal to 441 meter square, and side square is 441. Therefore side, what to find? Here the length of the side of a square, length of the side, that is equal to side. So we find the value of the side of a square. Then we find the length of the square. Therefore side is equal to square root of 441. Okay, side square is 441. Therefore side is equal to square root 441. Square root 441 by long division method. 441. Okay. Here we find the smallest perfect square number, which is less than or equal to 4. So 2 2s are 4. Okay, 2 2s are 4. Yes or no? 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 0. 41, and 2 adding with this 4. Therefore, 41, 4 1 1 41. Therefore, again that is 0. Therefore, square root of 441, square root of 441, that is equal to 21 meter. Therefore, square root of 41, therefore square root of 441, that is equal to 21 meter. Therefore, the length of a side, length of the side of a square, that is equal to 21 meter. That is the final answer. Okay, clear? Yes or no?